Hello, hello, welcome to Canada in the contemporary world. I'm Mr. M, or Mr. McCorquodale-Bauer. Mr. M is usually easier, especially for typing, but anyway, I won't get sidetracked because I'm going to try and keep this a nice quick video. I'm in my work environment. Behind me is all the desks. Of all your other informative teachers, it's bright and early in the morning, so I've got the room to myself, but yes, we all work in the same environment. We'll get to that in a later video. But more importantly is Brightspace and your course. Right here is announcements. This is where this video will be posted. I'll post all important information as they come up. Right here, it's announcements. It's in the name. But the most important part of the class is right here, content. Now you'll see that it's in two places. That's because it's so important I want it in two places so you can't miss it. So if you click onto content, in your view, I'm in teacher view, in your view only one thing will pop up. We'll start with course introduction. This will go through how to email, what release conditions are. The reason why you can only see one thing is not because there's only one thing in the entire course. The reason for this is because you have to work your way through. Unlocking levels. That's when you can't go and do your last assignment and be like, woo, I'm done. Whenever you're not done, you didn't learn. So work your way through. There's going to be some quizzes along the way. It's all fun. It's all in the course introduction. Also importantly is class list. This is how you can email me. That is explained in course introduction. If I send you an email, do not try and respond from your Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo email. You must email within Brightspace. Once again, this is explained later. I'm really looking forward to working with you. I thought I could keep this under 2 minutes, but I couldn't. But 2 minutes and 10 seconds is just fine as well. Looking forward to working with you. Mr. M, welcome to the course, Canada in the Contemporary World. Bye-bye.